guys, and today I'm going to share with you my essential rewards ordered through Young Living. So every month it's kind of like a monthly box, you know, like Fit Fab Fun and Ipsy and Dollar Shave Club. I mean, there's tons of monthly boxes. Well, I choose to get a monthly box from Young Living, which is all natural products. They are oils, and there's household cleaners, and there's vitamins, and there's fitness products. I mean, they have a ton of products, and this was my third month's order. I already ordered my fourth month. It should be coming soon, but if you see anything moving over here, it's my kitty cat. Her name is Irma, and she's 17 years old. But let's go ahead and get started. Crazy awesome products, and I'm so excited to share them. So my favorite actually from this month I'll share first is the Pure Protein pack. I got enough for 18 shakes, and it tastes just like a chocolate milkshake. And I know people say that all the time, but it does. But the best thing about this is it's not just whey protein. It's got let's see, goat whey protein, pea protein, egg white protein, organic hemp seed protein. So lots of different varieties of protein in here. So that's awesome. Well, hello there, Irmsies. Gonna come over to my side. So that's my favorite product for this month. Let's go to vitamins next. The next one is Super Cal Plus. This one is just a calcium tablet. It's great for wintertime, especially in Wisconsin when it is super cold outside and everyone's getting sick and the flu's going around. So calcium is really good to be taking. So I have those. I also don't love vegetables. Vegetables are not my things. So I try to eat them as much as I can, but I'm learning. I'm trying to be more adventurous with them. But for the days that I don't, I take multi-greens, vitamins, and it's just a herbal supplement with a bunch of good ingredients. So because I don't like vegetables, I try to get my greens at least somewhere. Next is Juva Spice. This is just a seasoning you can add to any meal that you're cooking. You can put it on eggs, you can put it on steak. I mean, you can put it on anything you want. It's just a spice/supplement that is going to help with your liver, just for good liver health. It's just something that you can help support your system with. So that's one of the next things I got. I also got just these little labels. They're for they're oil cap labels so that I can see them from the top and not just from the front of the oil containers. I also got these, they're little Glide, there's 10 of them. You put them on top of the oil bottles, so you can just roll them onto your skin like a perfume, or if you're just in a hurry and you don't want to just drip the oil onto you, you can just put it in a glider. And then I got here some oils, Spearmint. This one was free this month with my order, and it smells delicious. I love Spearmint. The next one, what I ordered was oregano, and these are all 5 milliliter bottles. Oregano is really good to put in a daily capsule with like frankincense and lemon and thieves for wintertime. It's just a power capsule to help you get healthier faster. So it just supports your immune system. The next one I got was grapefruit, because my husband eats a grapefruit every morning. He just loves grapefruit. So I decided that the grapefruit oil would be good for him too. You can also put it in a glass water bottle with some water, and there's your citrus for the day, and it's just good. It smells amazing. I also have Deep Relief, which was a free one this month as well. And this one is just really good to put on it with the roller ball, and you can put it on your muscles. Oh, it's kind of like that menthol-y feeling. You know how a Tiger Balm or I don't know, like this, anything you put on your muscles once you've worked out really hard, or your muscles are just sore, you can just put this on. You can use a roller ball with it as well, but it's got that like menthol-y cooling sensation, and it smells so good. And the best thing is these are all pure, 100% pure grade oils. You're only going to be getting the product from the actual plants that are in these blends and in these oils. And the last one, because it's the month of February and Valentine's Day is coming up, I got the oil Sensation, And this one is just supposed to, it's just kind of like a flowery scent, floral scent, with a little bit of a spice. It's also got, I think, ylang ylang in it. I'm not 100% sure, but it's supposed to be good for attracting the male attention, which, I mean, I'm married and totally appropriate, but yeah, so I mean, you put it on and it's supposed to kind of be like those pheromones, you know, that get put off, those the sense that your husband's like, ooh, that smells good. So sensation is really good for that, and you can also put it in with like a coconut oil or a grapeseed oil or vegetable oil, something like that you would like, not necessarily vegetable like you cook with, but like coconut oil or almond oil, things like that you can add it to and give a nice massage, and just kind of puts you in the mood / just is a really relaxing smell. So that was actually my order this month. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. My next order will be coming probably in the next week or so. So I'll probably do a video in the next week and a half, 2 weeks, all about the oils I got there. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!